Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm spending my money and happy Boxing Day everyone. So I spent all my money on this thing and it looks so freaking cool. It's a dessert machine, an ice cream dessert machine. I'm going to open it as I have my fiance in those. Those. Okay, so we got the ice cream dessert machine out. I'm going to show you how it works. First, we need to pick an ice cream. What do you want? We got this tropical one. We got this one. And we got, those are the ones we got. Which one do you want? What do you think? Vanilla? Okay, vanilla. I reckon have the rest of the scoops. Well, I get it ready. So, hold on, guys. Now we need to put it into the lid. Alright, guys, we've got to put the cone and the ice cream in, like an ice cream cone, like this. Like this, guys, let me show you. Like this. I'm going to be doing all the flavours. You need to put it like this. Aria's going to be making some ice cream. We need to put it in. Step. Next, we need to do this. And we need to turn it on. And we need something. The cranker! Oh, that's the cranker. We need that. Okay, we need to attach it. Guys, I'll be right back. I need some help. Guys, this is so cool. It's playing music. So we got it to work. Let's see next instruction. Okay, so we need to take the thingy out, the cone out. It says, but so take the cone.
Oh, yeah.
Why do we have to take the cone out? I'm wondering. Weird, but okay. They say so. And then we add it in and we close it. Next, we need to crank the turner. Now, I think I want great. Now we need to turn it, I think. Whoa! It just came out. Let's do proper one, guys. This one should be good. Ah! Yummy material, girl. So let's pop that in. Pop that in like this. That should be good. Let's show you guys. Let's crank the turner. Oh! This one needs to be good. Come on! Counting on you! This one I'm hoping should work. Okay, this one I think it should be good. Let's turn on the music. Let's do it. Let's add it in. I think we're supposed to add it the other way. I'm not sure. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
My umbrella! Ah! Now, I'm going to add it in. And now, let's add the music. Let's see if it's going to work. So, let's see if it works this time. And now let's move on to a different colour. Okay. So guys, we've got two left. No, Aria.
What?
Is that mine, Dad? Oh. We have these two flavours. Which one do you want? This is a professional ice cream maker. Which one do you want? Do you want the purple one? Okay. Then we'll do that one after. Let's add it in, guys. Ah! Oh my god. Oh, this is a topping. I get it. So let's add it. Would you like some calming music? Yes, okay. Go. Ah! Guys, this fell down. No. Come on. We need to fix that. Okay, guys, so let's do some music. This one. Go. This should be one. In a minute. So let's just take it out. Here is your lovely ice cream. Now we're going to be putting it on. Now let's put this on. This. Oh, what you asked for. Okay. Let's have this one on it for Boxing Day because I love you guys. Now I'm gonna add, since you guys are super special to me. That was delicious, wasn't it? Hey guys, my sister's been so nice to me. I'm gonna make her an ice cream. So let's start. First we need the cone. Now we need to put the ice cream in. And now we need to do this quietly. Now 1, 2, 3. There we go. That should be good.
Fine.
And now let's put on the topping. Let's see which which one Aubrey would like to prefer. Aria, which one? I'll just pick any then. Okay guys, so we're going to make it now, and I think I'm going to use this red one. Let's use the, because she's been so nice to me. And now let's add it on. Now let's add it on. 1. And then let's add the other one on. Let's add it on. Come on. It's not fitting. Aria, I want to give you this. He just said, oh, thank you.
Is that nice? Is that nice, Baba?
You should always be nice to people on Christmas, and you should get this. It's from the dessert shop, the last one for B&M. You can look at it online. It's called the dessert shop, the ice cream machine, and I think this might be right good for more role play, and I love it so much. Goodbye.